soul's departure from this world. Yes, gentlemen? Either the head or the heart. Very well done. Did you place yourself in danger when you took him? Congratulations, miss. May I retain the hide? In exchange, however, sir, pardon me. Bounty for wolves, I believe, in the county statute is 6 shillings. This is, of course, Virginia tobacco notes, signed by the Secretary of the Treasury, Mr. Robert Carter Nicholas, by Act of Assembly. It is good for the silver. Congratulations, miss. Happy hunting. Thank you. Now, doctor, could you inform me as to the particular circumstances under which you wish to take this young man to your household?
Well, as you are aware, sir, the good Lord saw fit to bless me with 4 daughters unto whom I must marry off and cannot pass on my profession. So I believe that it would be fortuitous for me to take on a male apprentice to teach my profession too. And this young man is able-bodied, clever, not too clever. Well, the clever ones will rob you. And he seems to fit the bill rather nicely.
We're not doing that. Very well. Justice Fisher, are you in agreement with Dr. Roberts? And would you state as to why you have any particular wishes for your son to retire in Dr. Roberts' household?
I think it would be a good career and a smart choice to help the community as far as health and so on.
So your son has the full consent of you, yourself, and your lady wife. Very good. Dr. Roberts, you wish to?
Oh, I was just going to just sweeten the pot with. I've got 4 daughters. You
Yes. Well, we do have marriage licenses. Very well. Gentlemen, I will relate to you the terms of the contract, and before your friends and neighbors, and before God, in this public assembly. If you agree to the terms of the contract, you will take hand as master and servant. I will conduct to you your contract. There you be. The apprentice shall faithfully serve the master, Dr. Roberts. You will keep the mysterious secrets of his trade. The said apprentice shall not contract matrimony within the said term. That means he will not run off and get married, Mr. Fisher, until your term is completed. You will not frequent taverns, nor absent yourself from your master's service day or night unlawfully, but you shall behave in all ways as a faithful apprentice towards the said master, Dr. Roberts, and his family, and his daughters, during the said term. Agreed? Very good. The master, Dr. Roberts, shall by the best means agree to teach and instruct or cause to be taught and instructed the said apprentice, and does hereby promise to provide for the said apprentice good and sufficient meat and drink, washing, lodging, clothing during the said term of service. You will teach young Mr. Fisher here to read and write, and at the expiration of the agreed term of servitude, the said master, Dr. Roberts, will oblige himself to pay and provide unto the apprentice what the law allows in such cases. By Virginia law, very good, Justice. You have the wisdom of Solomon. Dr. Roberts, would you be so good as to the completion of this young gentleman's term, provide him with all the necessary tools of his trade, pardon my ignorance in the tools of the trade of a physician, and at least one good suitable suit of clothes?
I shall consent. I shall consent to that.
Agreed? Very good. Take hands with your master. You are now master and apprentice. Your contract. Thank you, gentlemen. Blessings upon your endeavor.
Thank you.
Justice, you may resume your seat. Where are our play doctors? I have but a few left. Every man in the county by Virginia law betwixt the ages of 15 and 50 is required to serve in the militia as we are at war. The next muster will be month of July, after the next quarter sessions. Hopefully, God willing, we will receive specie from the mother government with which to recompense men for their costs, for their expenses, primarily their horse flesh. If you wish to, and the court is dismissed, receive a pay voucher from the bench. We have hopes that it will be redeemed at that time. Now, Are there any items of business from the gallery that you should cast at the feet of your gentlemen justices before we adjourn? Very well, Mr. Sheriff, would you close the court?
All right, be upstanding. The Court of Courtesy of the country of Kentucky District of the Commonwealth of Virginia is now hereby dismissed. God save Kentucky, God save Virginia.
God save Kentucky! God save Virginia!